Imagine a life where your money works for you, where you're not trading hours for dollars, but instead enjoying the freedom to choose how you spend your time. This is the central promise of The Lifestyle Investor, the 10 Commandments of Cash Flow Investing for Passive Income and Financial Freedom, updated and expanded in its April 2024 edition. The book is a roadmap for anyone seeking to break free from the constraints of traditional employment or business ownership and step into a world where your investments generate consistent, reliable income. The journey begins with a powerful mindset shift. The author emphasizes that before you can master cash flow investing, you must first believe that financial freedom is possible. Most people are conditioned to think that wealth comes only through hard work and sacrifice. But the lifestyle investor understands that smart, strategic decisions can unlock a life of abundance and choice. The book encourages readers to define their own version of freedom, whether that means traveling the world, spending more time with family, or pursuing creative passions. At the core of the book are the 10 Commandments of Cash Flow Investing, a set of guiding principles distilled from the author's own experience and the lessons learned from hundreds of deals. Each commandment serves as a filter, helping investors avoid common pitfalls and focus only on the opportunities that align with their goals and values. The first commandment is to invest in assets that pay you now. Unlike traditional investments that rely on long-term appreciation or speculative gains, the lifestyle investor seeks assets that generate immediate, predictable cash flow. This could include real estate, private lending, or businesses with recurring revenue. The key is to create streams of income that arrive month after month, regardless of what's happening in the stock market or the broader economy. The second commandment is to reduce risk by seeking downside protection. The author stresses the importance of investing with a margin of safety, choosing deals where your principal is protected and the likelihood of losing money is minimized. This might involve purchasing assets below market value, securing collateral, or negotiating favorable terms with sellers. By prioritizing safety over speculation, the lifestyle investor ensures that setbacks are manageable and progress toward financial freedom continues steadily. The third commandment is to find invisible deals, opportunities that others overlook or don't have access to. The book reveals how the best investments are often found through relationships, networking, and specialized knowledge. Rather than competing for overhyped public deals, the lifestyle investor cultivates a pipeline of off-market opportunities, often through partnerships, masterminds, or direct outreach to business owners and property holders. The fourth commandment is to get paid up front. The author explains that savvy investor structure deals to receive income or bonuses as soon as the investment is made, rather than waiting years for a potential payout. This could mean negotiating signing bonuses, upfront fees, or immediate distributions from cash-flowing assets. By front-loading returns, the lifestyle investor accelerates the path to financial independence. The fifth commandment is to use leverage wisely. Leverage, when used responsibly, can amplify returns and accelerate wealth building. But the book cautions against overextending or taking on unnecessary risk. The lifestyle investor uses leverage only when the terms are favorable and the downside is protected, ensuring that borrowed capital works as a tool for growth, not a source of stress. The sixth commandment is to partner with experts. Rather than trying to master every aspect of investing, the lifestyle investor surrounds themselves with a team of specialists, attorneys, accountants, operators, and other professionals who bring experience and insight to each deal. By leveraging the expertise of others, investors can avoid costly mistakes and focus on their zone of genius. The seventh commandment is to align investments with personal values. The book urges readers to invest in businesses, causes, and communities that resonate with their beliefs and aspirations. This alignment creates a sense of purpose and fulfillment, transforming investing from a purely financial pursuit into a vehicle for positive impact. The eighth commandment is to create win-win deals. The lifestyle investor seeks opportunities where all parties benefit, where sellers, buyers, partners, and communities all come out ahead. This collaborative approach builds trust, fosters long-term relationships, and opens the door to future deals. The ninth commandment is to simplify and automate. The author advocates for systems and processes that minimize hands-on management and free up time. This might involve hiring property managers, using software to track investments, or delegating administrative tasks. The goal is to build a portfolio that grows and produces income with minimal day-to-day involvement. The 10th and final commandment is to focus on what matters most. Financial freedom is not an end in itself, but a means to a richer, more meaningful life. The lifestyle investor regularly revisits their goals, adjusts their strategy, and ensures that their investments support their desired lifestyle. Whether that means more travel, time with loved ones, or the pursuit of passion projects. Throughout the book, the author shares personal stories, case studies, and practical tools. Readers learn how to evaluate deals, negotiate terms, and avoid common mistakes. The updated edition includes new insights on market trends, tax strategies, and the evolving landscape of passive investing. There are also expanded sections on mindset, habits, and the psychology of wealth, recognizing that lasting success requires more than just financial acumen. The book's message is both empowering and practical. It demystifies the world of alternative investing, showing that you don't need to be a millionaire or a financial expert to get started. With the right principles, a willingness to learn, and a commitment to action, anyone can build a portfolio of cash-flowing assets and design a life on their own terms. Ultimately, The Lifestyle Investor is a call to action. It challenges readers to break free from the status quo, take control of their financial destiny, and embrace the possibilities that come with true passive income. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your investing to the next level, the 10 Commandments offer a proven framework for achieving financial freedom and living life by design, not by default.